Here we're going to look at problem 5.59 of Alexander and Sadiku's 5th edition. And the goal of this problem is to find the gain, or the ratio of the output to the input of this op-amp circuit. Now before I do any calculations, I want to see what I have in my system. There's two op-amps here, and if I look carefully, I see that I might be able to break up this problem into two subsystems, which indeed I can. Two op-amp circuits. And the first op-amp circuit is, well, what kind of circuit is it? Well, it looks like the voltage is entering the positive input of the op-amp, and so that implies that it's a, what, non-inverting op-amp. Okay. And the output of the non-inverting op-amp, Vi2 Vo1, is equal to the product of the quantity 1 plus the feedback resistor, which here is 2R, over the input resistor, which is R, times the input voltage, which is Vs. And so the output of the first op-amp circuit is 3Vs. Now notice the output of the first op-amp circuit is also the input of the second op-amp circuit. Okay, so they just feed into each other. They're in cascade. And the second op-amp circuit, well, its positive input is grounded, so that implies that it is a inverting op-amp circuit. And the output of the inverting op-amp circuit, which is the second one in our problem, and it's also the output of the entire system, is negative of the feedback resistor, which in the second circuit is 4R, over the input resistor, which is R, times the input into the second op-amp circuit. But the input into the second op-amp circuit is also the output of the first op-amp circuit. And so this is negative 4 multiplied by 3Vs, or negative 12Vs. Now the problem really asks for the gain. And so the gain is the ratio of the output to the input. And in this case, V0 over Vs is negative 12. And that's it.